Here we are again at the True Blue weekend at Vizcaya Park in Miramar on last night, Friday night, April 6th, and also today, April 7th, right here at Vizcaya Park. We're going to be recording part of the football game that's going on between St. George's and Jamaica College. And the game is on. White versus blue. Just a small part of this game. We'll be recording right here. Here's the coach. Good try. Here is Marlon Hill. George's old boy taking a break. And there we go. Ball is being put into play at this time. Back kick all the way. It's blue pushing up the ball. I don't even know what the score is yet. I'm just sharing this with you right now. Blue is George's, white is JC. Jamaica College. They're on the attack. Another kick towards the goal. A little bit high. Nonetheless, a great opportunity. So we put the ball back into play. Boy, the days of go hunt down the ball is over. As soon as the ball go to the door, another ball come in. That means them don't have one ball to play with, them have whole of balls, right? Alright, so goalkeeper waiting to put the ball in play. This was off, and the goalkeeper kicks the ball up. And here's Blue. George's headed upfield. Okay, White on the attack. JC on the attack. A nice kick, pretty good kick, pretty good kick towards goal, saved by the goalkeeper.
Challenging the
Here's
boys
our MC today.
in light blue, all the way from North Street, downtown Kingston, St. George's.
There are some persons on it.
We only have a certain amount.
So Doc,
Hey.
tell us what's going on the field today.
Well, what's going on the field right now is that we tie up the old people them game.
Yes.
Old people them can't do it long.
So it's a 0-0.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm going to put in one for them.
What's your prediction today?
Yes.
One
love to JC.
One love to JC.
Bob Marley.
All right.
St. George's College boys. True Blue weekend going on for how many years now?
14
years. 14 years here in South Florida. Congratulations Jamaica College on winning another Manning Cup.
Winning the most money cup in the world.
Congratulations boys.
So Generals, we got two Jamaica College. What are your predictions today?
JC all the way.
JC, what's the score?
Oh, it's going to be so much that we won't even think about the score right now.
But it's all in good fun.
All right, great. Thank you very much. All right. So here the ball is in place. As close as we get to the field. Carry it up. Up. Take it out now. Back here alone up there. Peter Folks for watching. Good afternoon to you. Agri Brown, good afternoon to you, and thank you for tuning in. It is a true blue weekend. Today we have the George's Real Old Boys playing the JC, Jamaica College Real Old Boys today. Blue versus blue. Some predict that JC will win the game today. So let's see what happens. So let me go check with a couple of George's old boy.
When you sit with
Brethren,
the accounts,
tell me.
you give me the accounts.
Yes. You're on Jamaicans.com recording live. What's your prediction today?
Georges all the way. Georges all the way.
What's the score?
Nil all.
But what's going to be the end of the game? The score at the end of the game?
2-1 Georges.
2-1 Georges.
2-1 Georges. And to my right here is the great Mervyn Chuck. Great Mervyn. One.
No.
What's your prediction? What's your prediction?
I have to follow the seniors at 2-1. Yes, with respect.
All right. That's Leo Gilling coming to you live from the True Blue Weekend right here on Jamaicans.com as we take you down. This is almost memory lane because it's the Jamaica Real Old School, Jamaica College Real Old School boys versus the Real Old School Georges. So we're on Jamaicans.com live. Tell me what are your thoughts about the game today? Who's going to win?
Georges, of course.
Oh yeah, you're wearing a different color Georges though.
I see him Georges, you see it.
What's your prediction on the score?
One zip.
One zip. And your Georges too? What's the score for you?
I think I'll agree with Wayne. One zip.
Should I say?
I can clearly see Georges playing the better game today.
Oh, they are?
Yeah,
Okay,
definitely.
all right. So you're going to predict what one zip also?
I think 2-1 Georges.
2-1.
Yeah.
All right. And then
Neutral.
you are from JC, right? Neither. Which color?
Purple and white.
Purple and white. That's the KC, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. So what's your prediction? You are the most balanced one I've been talking to all day.
Georges one love.
Georges one love. All right. Let me get some ladies' perspective. Who's Georges? Who's the wife of a Georges player?
Me.
You are. Both of
of us.
All right. So Georges. So what do you think? The prediction today is going to be win for Georges.
Win for
What's the
Georges.
score at the end of the day?
2-0.
2-0. You're more
2-1.
2-1. All right. You're common. She's uncommon. Everybody's saying that George is going to win by one point. So, all right.
Okay.
All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
All right. So we're back to the game. This is Leo Gilling coming to you live from True Blue Festival, the weekend that entails a party last night, Friday, April the 6th, and then Saturday the 7th we have a games in the park. So I just heard here, a man says there are 12 Georges player on the field versus 11 of JC. I don't know how to verify that. All right, so we're going down to the west end of the field, I think. Yes, the west end of the field. All right. Hey guys, I'm from Jamaicans.com. I'm taping this live on Jamaicans.com. Can I hear you say yeah? Yeah! Who's winning today? Georges? Georges? Everybody say Georges all the way? All right, respect. Thank you. All right, so you hear it. Georges look like they're going to take it today just by popular vote. Georges going to take it. We're going to take you to another game. It's the children's game where we have the tug of war coming up. Here is a kids game going on. I'm not so sure what this is. All right. This is a ladies kick out.
That way. That's where we're going.
Ladies kick out. The kick out. Here's the kick out. Whoa, that's not a bad kick at all. Oh my God. Did she go through? It's a kick out. Ladies kick out. Does that look like a regular kick? Okay, here we go. What's your name? What's your name?
Michelle.
Michelle. How far are you gonna kick? We're gonna get through there?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Is that good, right?
Absolutely.
So we're gonna watch you. We're recording on Jamaicans.com here, guys. So here we go. She says she's gonna kick right through. But that was you got it blocked, Michelle. Alright. Alright. It's the ladies kick out today. Everyone in yellow. Okay. Alright. Oh my God. Alright. Woo! That's a power kick. We're gonna have a competition between Jay and Encore. You know, we almost hit me. Jay's out, peace. What's up? Good to see you. Are you sister that? Oh my God. Project, yes, everything good?
So we have about 5 minutes. Y'all want to do one more practice round? One more? All right, one more practice. Go ahead.
Wasn't that bad kick? What happens after this? What happens after this? The kick?
After this, we're going on the field, and they're going to do the actual penalty kickoff. Once we're finished right here, they're going on the field for the actual penalty kickoff.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
And when Jamaica JN Bank gives $100 to the winner, to their school, and for the second place they give $50, US dollars that is.
Okay, I was going to say.
And then for the men's, it's the same thing. $100 to that alumni, back to that school, and $50 back to the second place.
All right, sounds good, sounds good. So, who's going to win the kickoff? Let me see. Who's going to win the kickoff? We got various schools here. So, what school are you from?
St. Andrew.
St. Andrew for girls. Holy Childhood. Queens.
Merle Grove for KC.
Hear that? Hear that? I'm going to step up the competition. Maybe we're going to do the corporate schools versus the rural schools.
Yeah, the country schools. Yeah? But we're not have much country.
After we do the first round.
Yes, okay then, all right. Sounds good, sounds good. We have, which school you go to?
Anchovy.
Anchovy, and which one?
St. Hilda's.
St. Hilda's and?
The Carteret College.
The Carteret? Oh, the Carteret College. So, are we ready now? Are we ready now? Half time coming up. How do you think? Give me your thoughts on today's True Blue.
Beautiful day here in South Florida.
Yes.
14 years of Jamaica College and St. George's College getting together for a good cause. Hope Road meeting together with North Street.
North Street.
All about partnerships and work, no matter what your color is.
Yes.
Blue, light blue, purple, green,
white,
all those colors go towards supporting the Jamaican education system.
Right.
We have alumni from all across the world.
Absolutely.
Here at True Blue Weekend. Get to see old friends, from the 60s, 70s, the 80s. I don't know if you don't have it in the 90s yet.
Them not reach us
Yeah,
yet.
man, but for more information, let's go to trueblueweekend.com. Make a donation. It's going to support scholarships of both schools. Sponsored by some of our best, JN Bank, Jamaica National, Allstate, our friends over there from the chiropractic Dr. Melo.
Core Health.
With Cinco,
And
Core
with
Health.
Cinco, yes.
Also some from help from Hot Pie, Grace Foods.
Grace Foods, yes.
About maybe over a couple hundred people here. We're going to be here all afternoon. Every year around March, the end of March, early April for True Weekend. Don't miss it.
All right, I won't. All right, so pretty good thoughts there from our MC today. His name is Marlon Hill, attorney Marlon Hill. So I'm going to take you over to some of the people who are watching the game now to see how they feel about what's going on. Hey, my name is Leo Gilling. I'm recording from Jamaicans.com. It's actually living stream from on Jamaicans.com.
We have access to that
Bridget.
about Jamaican.com.
What do you mean, I'm a Jamaican? What you talk to?
I'm a Jamaican.
You know, that the man I want to talk to. So me talk too much English for you.
No, it talks
Who is LeoGilling.com?
LeoGilling.com.
Yeah, who is that?
I have an online radio station.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
He's on beat.
Yes.
That's good, man.
Yes. We do it Saturday, Sunday, and Wednesday nights. Check us. So, which school are you representing?
What it look like?
I see I have one white and one kind of bluish. So, now we're talking. All right. So JC taking it today. JC taking it today.
Every day. Every morning coming up.
All right.
There's no doubt about it.
Respect, Virgin. Take care.
All right.
Okay, so do you guys, since you're right here already, you want to enter into the first of the tug of war? Tug of war, right here. Just grab an end. Yes, just pick it up. Yes. Come on, ladies in yellow.
On both sides?
Yes, on both sides. Just pick it up. We're going to do a quick a tryout. A tryout, sir. Just a tryout, man.
Can't do a tug of war now.
Sure.
No, it's gonna blow it any minute.
Oh.
It's gonna blow it any minute. It's already 10 minutes to go.
Oh, it's a minute to go. All right. So tug of war. All right, we come back for the tug of war after. The man said no. Game done in a minute. The football game done in a 1 minute. So let's take it to the football game. It'll be done in a minute. Then we can come back to tug of war. All right. What's the score so far?
It's 0-0, but
0-0.
but JC is going to win.
JC will win?
Yes,
Aye.
Jose will win. 3-love.
3-0.
Yes.
Yes. But I thought
And my husband will score 2 of those goals.
what's his name?
Scott Hamilton.
Scott Hamilton. Yes, I know. Dr. Scott Hamilton will score 2 goals, but he's playing at the back.
No, he's playing up front.
He's playing up front?
Get it right.
Okay, all right.
He always plays up front.
Okay. Oh my God. All right. So we're rooting for Dr. Scott Hamilton today. He's gonna score 2 goals, his wife says. The game is underway.
That's live.
That's live. That's live. So Dr. Scott Hamilton is gonna score 2 goals before the end of the game. All right, let's see if he gets the ball. He's all the way over there. Sounds like the game is over. Oh my God, so we have the end of the game. That's the end of the game.
That's halftime.
That's halftime. Okay, halftime. So how long is halftime?
Halftime is as long as it takes for them to
drink
catch their wind.
Oh, and drink a couple of beers and stuff, right?
Exactly.
There you go. All right.
Rum.
There you go. So what are your thoughts on the game today? What do you see?
It's looks like a lot of fun. The guys are having fun out there.
All right. So you're JC, right?
JC,
And
and
so-
I think right now we're just taking it easy.
Okay. Oh, just testing the water
Yes.
right now, seeing.
Yes, that's what it is.
All right. So what do you think they're going to win by? What's the score at the end of the game?
Well, it's not about scoring now. It's just about us breaking a sweat.
That's breaking us in.
Yes.
All right.
Enjoy the camaraderie and Friendship.
All right, thank you very much, Virgin. Take care. All right, I'm going. Oh, so I'm not so sure which school you're representing.
True Blue.
True Blue. All right, the
All
weekend.
the way.
That's the weekend.
No, JC all the way.
But I thought the True Blue, also the True
No,
Blue.
the real blue.
The real blue.
The real blue, not the bleach out.
Oh my God, I'm not gonna take that one. Oh my God. Okay, so we're going to the kickoff, the ladies' kickoff, guys. So bear with me. We just have finished halftime at the True Blue Old Boys soccer game right here on April 7th, 2018. We have ladies from some of the high schools. They're going to have their first kickoff.
Discipline, anchovy, discipline. That's a good quality. Immaculate. Now, your strategy is wicked. Whenever I'm playing kick up. Kick it hard. Immaculate. The cartridge. Any specific strategy?
Not at this moment. I'll just watch and then arrange as I go up.
Arrange? So you're going to look at the competition?
Yeah.
Serious business that.
Yeah, man.
So what I'm doing in Mandeville though.
Is that part of a strategy?
Wait for the Kingstonians to come west.
Right.
Holy Child. No, somebody praying already, so you can't pray. What you mean the Holy Child? Pray before you kick. Splash holy water.
The word is holy.
Rosary.
The word is holy. It's holy.
You call the Pope. St. Andrews. Specific stand.
Too much pressure.
Specific strategy from the middle of halfway. Tell me.
Keep your eye on the ball.
Keep your eye on the ball. All right.
Okay.
So we got the first kick. All right. So we have St. Hilda's coming up next. Wait a minute. One. Okay. We have St. Hilda's.
The best.
All right. Tell us your name before you kick. Nikki Officer. Okay, all right. Oh. Is that a St. Hilda's kick?
Yes.
Okay, all right.
Next up, St. Hughes. The ladies from Crossroads. Ladies from Crossroads coming up to the...
right here is the line.
The number one quality of St. Hughes, she says she's focused. Focused.
Okay, all right.
She's a focused Fidelita.
Right here.
Okay, so St. Hughes. What's your name, St. Hughes? Charlene from St. Hughes.
The ball. She kicks.
Oh boy. All right, so who's coming up next? Anchovy. That's in Montego Bay. What's your name, Anchovy? Oh! Anchovy score! Anchovy says discipline. What's your name? What school is this? Immaculate. And what's your name? Andrews. This is Andrews. What's your name?
All the way from
Here we go.
Wicked.
Oh. So here's the lady from the Carteret College.
She's one of those ladies that give the nuns trouble.
And she's she has it down pat.
The Carteret said that she was going to watch the strategy of all of it.
Yes. Very serious contender too.
Yeah, but it's shifting from the wind.
The wind is blowing now.
Yes.
Ladies,
So the Carteret promises to win this competition. Here we go. Oh, really great kick. So she was very serious about winning. All right. Where are you from now? Holy Childhood? Are you holy? Holy Childhood? All right. Here we go.
Come and gone. Holy Childhood.
All right, Holy Childhood. Kick it on the ground.
Coach Chris.
That was just a practice kick, I think.
Ladies from halfway tree road now.
It's fun.
They're on through.
Okay, St. Andrew and St. Andrew gone out of the race right now. Who's next?
Earl Grove is coming up back for a second attempt.
All right.
The number one quality of a Earl Grove lady is
Integrity.
Integrity in a soccer. Integrity in a soccer. In the kickoff. Just put some integrity in the
Earl Grove lady
kick.
said integrity, but she owned a Kingston College, man. Does that
Lord of mercy.
trouble?
Oh. All right. Okay.
We're here at the JN Bank Kick-Out competition. Halftime.
So, see, we have a $100 lady right here. Oh my gosh! Can you show me that? Show me that $100 bill there. Yes.
Boys from
From Jamaica National, $100 kickoff today. Thank you very much from Jamaica National Bank. Here's the first kick. Boom! And that's a miss. She's out, right? Is she out? Yeah, she's out. Here is St. Hilda's with a Hilda's kick. Here we go. Oh, I think she has to turn her body the other way.
Lose our boogers. Tie your boogers.
We have to turn her body the other way. Okay, so this is the St. Andrews? St. Andrews? Okay. St. Hughes. Okay. All right.
Focus, Fidelis.
It says focus.
Focus.
Yep. All right.
I was trying to bend it like Beckham.
Yes, you have to bend it the other way.
Trying to bend it like Beckham.
Beckham.
Like better.
All right. Anchovy coming up. Oh my God! Anchovy give two good kick. You know, I don't want to be her boyfriend.
Yellow, man.
All the work. Fish and okra, buddy.
Okay, here's the Carteret College coming up for her kick. Very serious.
Carteret off the coast.
Did she?
Powerful kick from Carteret. The ladies from Constantine Road step back up to the plate.
Go back. How far back?
All right, it looks like
One more round.
one more round between
Right here.
Anchovy and Merle Grove. Between Anchovy and Merle Grove. Yes, Anchovy and Merle Grove coming up. No man, hold on. Don't kick it. So come on, talk to us here.
Go across. Come here.
Talk to us.
Earl Grove and Anchovy.
Yes.
So we have Kingston and we have
Country.
Montego Bay.
Yes.
So
Country and town.
is there a difference between students from town and students from country?
Yes, they eat a lot of processed food. We eat real food. I must get a chance to rebutt. Did not go there.
Filet mignon.
All right. Here we go.
Beef versus filet mignon in the final.
So we have. Yes. Oh my God. Woo! Lord of mercy, Merle Grove have a tough challenge. Anchovy look like.
What is the lesson from the JN Bank?
All right, so here we go. Merle Grove and the final kick of the day. And the ball is rolling and it's gone all right. Oh my God, let's give it up for the Country Diamond Dumpling and Banana School. Yes.
All the ladies gonna get you. This way in front of a ball, in front of the ball. All the ladies in front of the ball. And we're going to do it this way, right? All the ladies. all the ladies, everyone.
Thank
all the
you.
ladies.
Thank you, Janella, for watching. Jerry Johnson, good day. Byron Laws, good day, good afternoon. Tanya, good afternoon. Devon Lawrence, good afternoon. Jem Hale Ellis, good afternoon. Tanya Sutton, good afternoon. Peter Folks, good afternoon to you. Thank you for watching. Nettie Sims, good afternoon. Agri Brown, good afternoon. Here are the winners. Well, the ones, oh yeah.
One person, one lady is back here.
Okay.
The cards red. And the champion, True Blue Weekend 2018
The winner.
All right, she going right. Who left?
Her lesson
She's just
for the afternoon. Eat real.
Guys,
natural.
say yeah to everybody. All right, there we go. Thank you.
Oh, they want to be in it. Jamaica National, sorry.
Okay, Jamaica National wants to be in it. Bring the $100 out there too. Yes. Yes, you have to turn around. Turn around. Go in front of them. Go in front of everybody. Yes. And you stand, Shelly, and I'm in the end up on the two. Gilling, Jesus, peace. I'm in knees that win it. Jesus, peace.
Can you two guys bend down? In the front here? Yeah, bend down.
Presentation from fine ladies from Holy Childhood,
All right.
St. Andrews, Immaculate St. Hughes, the Carteret, St. Hilda's, St. Hughes, Queen, Merle Grove, Anchovy.
All right. Thank you, guys.
Coming to her house for dinner tonight.
All right. Can we have one now with just the winner and then with the second place?
Thank you, ladies. All right. Thank you, Jane Bank. Visit them at the...
You going in the middle. You going in the middle. You. Oh, I see.
So we come back. All right. Where's your ball? Which one was your ball? Okay, go grab your ball.
All right, so that was the end of the kickoff.
And the lesson from Anchovy.
Okay.
Anchovy said that you need to eat natural food.
Okay.
And you need to have discipline, she said.
All right.
Discipline.
All right, natural food and discipline. That's good
Education
takeaway.
system.
Good takeaway.
Less processed foods, less sugary foods, more natural juices.
So let's hear her speak.
All right, we're gonna need to clear the field.
Say big ups to all the people in St. James, Western Jamaica right now.
Big up all my friends and family in St. James, Montego Bay, and all my Anchovy past students.
So what year did you attend Anchovy?
I graduated in 1991.
And Anchovy, what is Anchovy's number one quality contributing to the education system in Jamaica? If you could say something about Anchovy, what is special about Anchovy?
Discipline. They're very, at least when I was going there, they were very, very disciplined.
And they're probably still disciplined.
Yes, definitely. It is a high school now. When I was going, it was a secondary school, but it was always disciplined.
So, and some of the needs of Anchovy High School, what do you think some of the needs, if any donations can be made? Do you know what are some of the special needs of Anchovy?
No, I
Money.
Yes, definitely. Money. Yes, definitely.
Congratulations to the people of St. James, winner of the 2018 Jane Bank Kick-Out competition.
Kick-Out!
Big shoulder now.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll be right back to you. Thank you very much for watching. And we'll catch you later on. Thank you.